So I've just finished editing the birds video and I noticed a mistake. And typically I would just record the whole video again and edit it again. But I thought I'd give you some context as to why the mistake happened. I said chicken, pollo, pollo. And then I realized, well, this is not right. Pollo is what we call the food, the chicken as a food, not chicken as the bird. And I must have been hungry or something, and maybe, I don't know, but just so you get the right words, chicken, gallina, gallina, and that's the hen. Then you've got the rooster, which is the gallo, gallo, and then there is the chick, which is the pollo or pollito, pollito. And yeah, I hope you can forgive me for this little slip, and I hope this added video was useful. I'll catch you later. And remember, tiresome repetition produces excellence.